Hey everyone, Snitika here and welcome to my channel. So today in this video we're gonna see how to create this bold and sultry eye makeup look. So if you're interested in knowing how I created this one, then please do watch till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. First, with the help of an angled brush, I'm going to take a blue shade and then I'm going to create a pointed outer corner. Then taking a darker blue shade, I'm going to intensify the color over there. Then using a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend it and buff out all the harsh edges present over there. Then with the help of a flat brush, I'm going to take that same dark blue shade and I'll try to create a pointed inner corner over there. Basically, I'm creating an inner corner wing. After that, I'm going to take that same brush and I will apply that same blue shade on my lower lash line. After that, I'm going to take an eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner and I'm going to outline the inner corner wing, and I will also apply it on my upper lashes, on my upper lash line, and I'll also try to create an outer corner wing with it. After that, I'm going to fill this area. Then taking a kajal, by the way this is the Lakme iconic kajal, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Then applying a decent coat of mascara on my upper lashes and lower lashes. So yeah, this is the final look guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please do not forget to give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. So yeah, this is it, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.